Good morning. I'm going to talk about a miraculous plant in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil, it's known as Kodukappuli. In English, it's called Manila tamarind. It's a miraculous plant, and many of the ailments we can heal through the Kodukappuli leaves and bark. And it's amazing. Many people, our ancestors used it, but they didn't know the real medical properties which is embedded in this plant. Slowly we are exploring, the science is exploring and bring out the mysteries of this plant. So the scientific name of, the botanical name of this plant is called Pithecellobium dulce. Pithe, the first word, Pithecus means ape, monkey. Cellobium, lobium means pod. So literally it is the pod of the monkey or the fruit of the monkey. So we are also Pithecus. All the humans, we belong to a mammalian family and our hominoidea. That is monkey's family. We are primates. So it's good for us. What is good for the monkey is good for the human beings, to Homo sapiens. You should know that. So watch a monkey, and what monkey eats, practically 100% you can eat it without any trouble. So botanical name of Kodukappuli is Pithecellobium dulce. Dulce means sweet in Latin. Pithecellobium dulce is a species of flowering plant in the pea family known as Fabaceae. That is native to the Pacific coast and adjacent islands of Mexico, Central America, North and South America. It is an introduced species and extensively naturalized in the Caribbean, Florida, Guam, India, Bangladesh, and the Philippines. It is considered an invasive species in Hawaii. Actually, this plant belongs to the family called Fabaceae. They are nitrogen fixation plants and like peanuts. So I am really surprised that Kodukappuli belongs to Fabaceae family. That means it contains a lot of protein, and also the plant helps to fix nitrogen to the soil. So environmentally good plant. It's amazing plant. I never knew that. As small kids, we used to eat the fruit of that tree, very tasty, sweet and sour. Anyway, Pithecellobium dulce is a tree that reaches a height of about maybe 20 meters. Its trunk is spiny, be very careful, and its leaves are pipinnate. Each pinna has a single pair of ovate oblong leaflets. There are about 2 to 4 centimeters long. The flowers are greenish white, fragrant, sessile, and reach about 12 centimeters in length, though appear shorter due to coiling. The flowers produce a pod which turns pink when ripe and opens to expose an edible pulp. The pulp contains black, shiny seeds that are circular and flat. The seed is dispersed via birds that feed on the sweet pulp. The tree is drought resistant and can survive in dry lands from sea level to an elevation of 1,500 meters, making it suitable for cultivation as a street tree. Depending on the region of its occurrence, Pithecellobium dulce is known by different names. In its native Mexico, the tree is known as huamúchil or guamúchil, deriving from its Nahuatl name Chua Chua Mochiti. In the wider region, it is also called Hinzan or Guama Americano. It is called Sima Chintakaya in Telugu and Kodukappuli in Tamil. In in India, it goes by the name Madras thorn. In some places called Madras thorn, although it is not native to Madras. the name Madras or Manila tamarind also misleading, since it is neither closely related to tamarind nor native to Manila. In Kuwait, it has the same name as India, but in Arabic, Shaukat Madras. Shaukat means thorn, and that would mean Madras thorn. It appears to have been introduced in Kuwait in the 60s or the 70s and may be introduced by Indians. One can still see the remains of the tree or living trees in the public parks established during the 60s up until the 1980s in Kuwait City. The tree is rarely sold in commercial nurseries, but the old gardens seem to know it as a food. The seed pods contain a sweet and sour pulp that which is in Mexico is eaten raw, also in India eaten raw, as an accompaniment to various meat dishes and used as a base for drinks with sugar and water. The seeds are also edible and refined to extract oil, which amounts to 10% of their weight. They also contain 28% protein. As medicine, the bark and pulp are astringent and hemostatic. The indigenous people of Mesoamerica used the pulp and bark against gum ailments, toothache, and hemorrhages in general. A bark extract is also used against dysentery, chronic diarrhea, and tuberculosis. An extract of the leaves is used for gall ailments and to prevent miscarriages. The ground seed is used to clean ulcers. Pithecellobium dulce is a host plant for the caterpillars of the red-bordered pixie, three-spot grass, yellow, and many other moths. It's a miraculous tree. We need to conserve them because today many people cut them down and they use it for firewood, especially for baking bricks. This tree, is victimized. People cut it because it burns beautifully, because it stores a lot of carbon. So this tree should be conserved for the future generations. The medical properties, just we are beginning to understand. So far, this tree kept it very secret. Now it's all coming out. So let us protect the tree, let us use the tree. Please take every day little leaves, little bark, boil them for 15 minutes, and then you can drink as a tea. Practically good for all the ailments. Even for the bones, it's very, very good. But anyway, don't do because I am telling you, because I am no doctor. So please consult your physician before you do anything. Okay? Thank you. Bye.